Welcome to the second part. We continue with the modify tools, and next on is rotate. It is located here. First, click on the icon, then select the element and choose the point around which you want to rotate. I will choose the edge of the wall as the point of rotation, and if we know how many degrees we want to rotate the element, then enter the value down below. For example, I need the angle of 50 degrees, so I'll type that value 50 and click enter. We're still in the rotate command, so another way would be to select the element, select the rotation point, and click on the other edge of the wall, then choose a custom angle. To exit the command, press escape. If we left-click and hold on to the mirror icon, a drop-down menu will appear in which the first two tools are mirror with and without copying. First, we will use the mirror without copy tool. After we have started the command, we need to select the element we want to mirror, then choose a custom point, and with another point define the axis. By selecting the second point, the mirror command is executed, and our wall is mirrored. The copy and mirror option works in the same way, only that with this command, the selected element will remain. If there is an axis around which we want to do the mirroring, such as an ordinary line, then immediately after selecting the element, just one click on the line, and Allplan recognizes it as an axis and immediately executes the mirror command without any more clicks. To exit the command, press escape. Stretch entities is perhaps the most useful modification tool in Allplan. This tool is very simple and powerful, so its use is possible in almost every situation, within every element. Stretch entities is located here, one click, and we are running the command. The command name itself explains what this tool actually does, so we only need to select the parts of our element that we want to stretch. I will select only the upper edge of our wall, and the red dot which represents the edges will appear. So click somewhere on the screen, and then click again somewhere to stretch the element. Exit the command by pressing the escape key. Moving across the screen at the right angle is achieved by holding down the Shift key. So, if we want to move the element by a certain value in the X or Y direction, we need to hold Shift while we are inside the Move tool. No matter where the cursor is, Allplan will recognize the nearest axis and move the element along it. If we want to move the element at a certain angle, we need to click on Angle. Choose one of the offered angles, or enter the desired angle by clicking on Define. Enter the desired value, for example 33 degrees, and now our cursor is rotated. Start the Move command, and while holding Shift, the element follows the rotated cursor. Changing the angle as well as working with the Shift key is also possible with Copy, Move, Rotate, or any other command. To exit the command, press Escape several times. I hope you didn't find this part boring. We've deliberately set it apart from the rest of the course so you can revisit it whenever you like. These commands serve as the building blocks of any modeling software, and we will use them a lot during further work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.